Around -5 out right now. Oh, well, you know what that means? Fucking cold starts. I'm gonna try the Suburban first because that'll be the easiest. It fucking has the magical fuel injection. Oh, it's cold. I'll do yellow. Oh. Come on. Oh, come on, you can do it. Come on. Oh shit, it did it! That was a pretty good cold start. Oh. Oh, you hear those whistles. Oh yeah, look at all that shit, like, I wonder what the smoke looks like. Oh, that's a lot of cheech. This is pretty good. That's a pretty eventful cold start for a fuel injected car. I'm gonna let that warm up. Great advantage of having a vehicle with over 300,000 miles on it. One set of keys to start them both at the same time. Now, yellow, I think is gonna, if that had a lot of trouble, I think the yellow one's gonna, I think it's carbureted, fucking 20 years older, and actually has more miles on it. So I'm gonna do like 600 pumps. Might have to get out the ether. Holy shit, is it cold. Spinning. Oh shit, it's fine. Now, one or two things is gonna happen. It's gonna run, or I'm gonna spin a bearing, or maybe both. I'll get oil pressure, or it's gonna spin a bearing. Get a little bit. How did it start easier than the fuel injected truck? Getting some oil pressure now. Got about like 10 pounds. Come on, you can do it. Come on, 20W50, don't fail me now. A bit of oil pressure now. Got about 20 pounds. Well, I get up to 30, bitch. Damn it, where's my fast idle stick? Use my scraper and just kind of wedge against the pedal. You know, I guess after I get this thing running, I should probably do an update on this truck, or on both of them. It's running on their own steam now. A few things I've done. One of them is paint this whole paint the whole fucking truck. Put a new coat of paint on it. Doesn't look bad. Got a topper, of course. Probably saw that in my other video. I swapped the wheels back between the Suburban and that, and I got different rims for the Suburban, which is nice. Yeah, and this is a new door. Got a little bit of a door ding right here, but that's not really too big of a deal. I paid only like 20 bucks for it. It's off of 73, 74 actually. It actually fits and it actually closes like brand new. Cleaned up the interior a bit. I got a new dash pad. Well, a used dash pad that I painted up. It looked really nice actually, and it's not all cracked up. Oh, the interior's like restored on this thing. That's that's basically everything I've done. Oh yeah, other thing, you know how I cracked my door hinge last time in that one video? 1 second. Well, it broke again. Okay, yeah, well, it broke again, so I just bought a new one. I don't know if you can see that. That doesn't look all rusty like the other one. Put that on yesterday. It fits pretty good. Doesn't quite close perfectly. It's a bit up on that side, but I'll fix that later. Got new mirrors. And they even almost match. See? They almost match. What else? What else? Oh, you guess I don't have anything else to update you on. I'm about to freeze my cock off. Oh yeah. I got a new grill, the Suburban. Close that. New grill. That looks pretty nice. Looks better than a cracked up black piece of shit that was on there. And these tires are, well, these wheels look pretty good on it. But yeah, I think there was something else I wanted to talk about. No, there wasn't. Okay, well anyways, thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.